Hi, this is Valerie from At My Home, and today I'm going to take a quick look at the ZVE Crossbody iPhone case. Now let's go ahead and open it up. So I got this because when I'm traveling, I like to have my phone handy so I can take pictures. And sometimes, you have it in your bag or in your purse and you have to grab it and get it out. I wanted to have it accessible, but also kind of keep it safe. So this is it. It comes in this really nice soft bag. And let's open it up. It's orange. Orange is my favorite color. So it does come in other colors if you don't like orange. And it comes with a nice long strap here. It also comes with kind of like a little wrist strap if you just want to hold it closer to you. And it even has like a little wallet here that you can maybe put a few things, like a couple credit cards, your ID, that kind of thing in here, if you want to keep that with you. So I have the iPhone 13 Pro, and you want to make sure that you get the version of the case that fits with your specific phone, of course. So let me just snap it in here. Oh, that's nice. It went in there. It was very nice. It's really nicely done, and I can use all the functionality. Got it in there. The camera sits through, so that's really nice. It doesn't feel like it's going to fall out or anything. It's nice and secure in there. And I can either use it with this long strap. These are nicely done here. There's a couple of little hookies down here at the bottom. These are really nice high quality things. So that's it. So I can wear this, so I can always have it accessible while I'm traveling. I can, take a picture with my camera. I guess I have to show the camera. So it's pretty nice. And if I don't want to do this, I don't want to wear it like that, I can always put this wrist strap on it. I can just hold on to it that way. So that's it. That is the ZVE iPhone 13 Pro crossbody case. And I'm looking forward to trying it out on my next trip. Thank you.